Do your gray hairs bother you, but you don't know how to get rid of them? Did you know that olive oil can end gray hair? The first gray hairs usually show up even before the midlife crisis, both in men and women. However, for women, it seems to not have a solution, and many of them do not accept their hair white. For men, though, gray hair adds to their charm and virility. But when the gray hairs come too early, it may be a sign that your health is not doing well. Watch the suggested video if you want to learn more about some health issues that may be linked to gray hair. But did you know that there is a natural alternative to dye your hair? We are talking about olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamin E, pigments, and polyphenols that, besides darkening the hair, help to keep it healthy. Isn't it amazing? Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Now you must be asking yourself, how do I use olive oil to get rid of my gray hairs? It is easy. All you need to do is apply olive oil over your gray hair and let it act for half an hour. Then remove the oil during your shower with some shampoo. Repeat this procedure every night before sleeping. In no time, your hair will begin to darken. Oh, if you want to, you can also apply olive oil on your hair and let it act overnight, and only remove it in the morning. It keeps your hair soft and strong. Isn't it nice? Olive oil helps hydrate the hair and also gives more life and color to gray hair. Try it and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.